Good morning, everyone. Here are the Sanibel Island and Southwest Florida update as of January 6th, 2023. The Sanibel Lighthouse is continuing work with the insurance companies, meaning they are still trying to determine what is covered and what can be replaced concerning the structures around the lighthouse. The lighthouse itself is being repaired. The contractor has finished the electrical work. The next step is the Coast Guard needs to come in and review the progress. The final step would be relighting the light. No set date yet, but when that happens, there will be some sort of ceremony marking the occasion. The Sanibel Historical Preservation Committee met on January 5th, 2023 to discuss whether or not the Nut House should be removed from the historical register. I've mentioned the Nut family house before. The house was deemed historical in 1991. After almost an hour of debate, the committee voted 3-2 in favor of removing the Nut House from the registry. The land and the cemetery will remain on the registry. In my opinion, the right decision was made, and I was a little surprised that it was not a unanimous decision. Before Hurricane Ian hit, the owners of the Nut family house were requesting to be removed from the registry because being labeled historical was doubling the cost of homeowners insurance. The original meeting was canceled due to Hurricane Ian, and then Hurricane Ian hit and the Nut house was destroyed by the hurricane. They still want to be removed from the registry because now the insurance company will not renew their policy and they cannot find replacement insurance. The owners have a mortgage on the property, and the bank has informed them that if they do not find insurance, the bank is going to call the note. So to me, it was a no-brainer. Remove the house from the registry so the owners can get insurance so they will not have to be foreclosed on by the bank. They can then make the necessary repairs, demolish it if need be, and completely rebuild it, whatever the plan is. The two dissenters were more focused on possible future scenarios like what if the owners sell the property, which they have never mentioned or expressed an interest in doing that. Or what if all other historical homeowners want to be removed from the list? Not a current problem, so why are they taking it out on the Nut family? Luckily, there were 3 board members who understood the issue and were not focused on making up what-if scenarios. Kim, the lady who represented the Nut family, was amazing. She stayed calm and kept reminding the committee to stay focused on the current issue. I believe she is a member of the Historical Society, just not a board member. I had no idea the Historical Preservation Committee could have so much drama. Definitely was not a boring meeting. My last piece of advice, don't ever buy a home labeled historical unless you like to jump through governmental hoops. The City of Sanibel requested an update from the United States Postal Service concerning the reestablishment of postal services on Sanibel. The USPS provided the following response to Mayor Smith on January 3rd, 2023. Direct quote, "The city will continue to request periodic updates from the USPS and will continue to advocate for service restoration at the earliest opportunity." Due to Hurricane Ian, the Sanibel Post Office sustained extremely heavy damage to the building and its delivery fleet. As a result, mail delivery has been temporarily suspended and will remain suspended until necessary repairs have been made to ensure a safe workplace for all employees and a safe environment for conducting business for our customers. Although we are working diligently to restore mail delivery as soon as possible, the anticipated resumption of delivery operations is not expected to be completed until late summer of 2023. We have established a mobile retail unit at the Fort Myers Processing and Distribution Center parking lot located at 14080 Jetport Loop, Fort Myers, to service our Sanibel customers. The MRU's hours are as following: Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 4:30 p.m., Saturday, 9 a.m. to 4:30 p.m., and it is closed on Sunday, end quote. So yes, not being available until the end of the summer seems to me a crazy long time. Just a tip, the Captiva post office is open. Post office boxes are still available at the Captiva location. So if driving to Fort Myers is too inconvenient for you, I recommend getting a Captiva PO box ASAP because there is a limited amount available. In case you are not aware, anyone can get a PO box on Captiva, not just Captiva residents. As long as you have the money and 2 forms of ID, you can rent a PO box monthly or yearly. Thanks for listening.